Guys, another day, another adventure. And today we're going where?
To the waterfalls.
Yeah, we're going to a waterfall tour on the mountain bikes. And we're gonna do 7 waterfalls, I think. And finishing with Pailon del Diablo, which is like the biggest one. And it's gonna be epic. So here we go. Alright, so we're starting our mountain bike tour from Baños to the road of Cascadas, or the road of waterfalls, and we should get to the Pailon of Diablo at the end, and should see around 4 or 5 waterfalls, I guess. So here we go. So here we got to the first crossroad, and here on the right you go to the 2 waterfalls. You can see Tunguragua up there. Paid $2. I'm gonna see 2 waterfalls here somewhere. So see, more people are here already. So you can go on the left. There's some monkey face, or you can go on the right to see waterfalls. So it's 6 minutes. Silencio.
Or the other one first?
You can see both. Let's go here first. Oh wow. Oh wow. Crapping hell. Woo! Woohoo! Woo! Nobody here. Wow. Now we're gonna see the other waterfall, Silencio, right? And the other one was Umba waterfall. So here we see how it is. Here we go, another waterfall. Silencio, I think. Oh. Pay $1 here for a person, and now we're gonna go on the main road and down to see more waterfalls. Here we go. So at the beginning you're following the main road on the way to Puyo, and it's pretty much down the hill. There is no cycling path, but the cars are aware of you and are overtaking in a safe space. There's a bus. Shit. That's the same one that we stopped. Oh shit, San Francisco. Was right behind you?
Yeah.
It would brake, come on.
That was so scary though. It's like a claustrophobic and a bus behind you.
Yeah. So now the cycling path starts. Actually motorbikes can go there. I guess this is the ingreso. Here we go. Okay, so we just arrived to the Canopy Agoyan. Canopy Agoyan. I think it's the longest one, right? And there's a zip line going all the way to the other side. There's a waterfall. So here is another tunnel for cars on the left, but bicycles are going on the right around the hill. So this road is cool because it's just for the bicycles and you can see amazing views down into the valley. But sometimes you meet some cars as well, but it's really great that they made this cycling path here. Whoa, man! Some in the water. Woohoo! Oh my god, it's raining from the wall above us. Yeah. I remember this bicycle touring pro was. Okay, so this is another canopy place and people gonna go on the zip line down there. And there's another ladder over here. And they also do a bridge jumping from here. There you go. Right, it's 3:16 and we just arrived to another waterfall. This one is called Manto della Novia. So this is a pretty big waterfall and you could go also down to it, but we didn't have time and we wanted to see the Pailon El Diablo and one more waterfall after that. So we decided to skip to go to this one. So around 4 p.m. we got to the entrance to El Pailon del Diablo park, and you have to hike 1 kilometer to get to it, and then you pay $1.50 there. So there are two ways to get to El Pailon del Diablo. The one is this way, we get from down and you can get under the waterfall, and then another way is from up. There's over the bridge. We haven't been there today, but I think it's good as well. It's not Pailon or Diablo, eh? Paid $1.50 over there, and now we're gonna go up. It's gonna be epic. What does it say?
It says very slippery stairs, be careful, and go one by one in line. And when you go through the tunnels, it's only 80 centimeters high, so be careful with your hand.
Okay, we're getting close, come closer. There's the first viewpoint. I can already see it. 3, 2, 1.
Pailon Diablo! Ho ho ho!
Man, the strongest waterfall I ever seen. Wanna go down? And then up you can go. Would you swim in there? This would smash you down, oh my god. Whoa! Oh my god. If I drop the phone, that will be it. It's insane. Oh. It's insane power. Okay, now we have to go through the tunnel and around to the bridge, I guess. Oh. Let's do it. Oh, it's cool. Where are you? It's not good for some people. Let me tell you that. Ah. Whoa. Whoa. How am I gonna get through? Take my backpack. Some climbing necessary here. Can you hold this phone as well? Okay, now we need a GoPro. Oh, it's insane, yeah? Oh my god. That's so cool. So much water. we're going through the waterfall here. So, insane, man. Okay, let's go. Are you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, let's go! Oh my god, it's wet. What now? Huh?
What now? I don't know. That's it?
That's it? Oh,
I forgot to wait.
I should also. So we couldn't get past that point under the waterfall. We thought it was connected with the bridge up there, but it was not, so we just decided to go back. We thought we could make a loop around, but you know the last point where you were under the waterfall, we were with GoPro. That was it. You couldn't go around. Now I think we have to go to the bridge, and we're gonna see the waterfall again. So we thought that the bridge up there was connected and that the road continues after this bridge, but that was not true. After the bridge the gates were locked, so that's two different places, and if you want to go to the other place you have to go around and pay more money. So we didn't have time to explore the other place today, but you can't go so close to the waterfall as we did here. You just go up the bridge, and so I would recommend to go this way or just to do both if you have enough time. Maybe if you need to start at 11 the latest if you want to make both of these stops. So we left our bicycles locked up here, just near the trail. And now we have a little bit more time. I think it was around 5 o'clock, so we have 1 hour of sunlight. So we're gonna cycle to another waterfall which is only like 2 kilometers away. Okay, we're at the last waterfall and we're really tight on time. It's almost 5:45, no, 5:15, sorry. Now we have 15 minutes to go down. Wow. There we go. There should be some place for swimming. It's 5:22 right now. We're not sure if it's here or down there. The water seems pretty dirty here. How do you swim in there? Okay, so I guess that's the place for swimming, but the water looks very dirty and I don't know why it's so dirty, so we're not really gonna swim here today. I'm just trying to go back up where we started and maybe go back to the Pailon del Diablo from the other side, and we'll see how much time we have. So let's go back. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this route of Cascadas. There is one tip I would give you: to leave earlier. So we left 1:30 and we just barely had time to complete all the route, and it was a little bit stressful at the end. I was a bit in a hurry, but nevertheless I still recommend to do this on a bicycle. And there is a truck going from Pailon del Diablo which can drive you back with your bicycle.